Okay, to take the cover off, all you need to remove is two screws. One screw over here and another screw over here. Okay, you remove those two screws and you take the cover off. Apple monitor display. As we can see, there's some leaky capacitors on this board. But you have to be careful if you don't know how to work on CRTs, because there is a high voltage, 22,000 volts on this cable, and that might kill you if you don't know what you're doing. So always power off and discharge the tube before you work on it, okay? And by changing only those three capacitors, we got the monitor back to life.